Okay, so this is a depth check. So this is a squat depth check. So basically to work on this one, you're gonna put the bars on. This is another reason to use them. It's gonna help you drop the ego a little bit and just look after you. What you can do is, as I load up a weight that I'm not quite used to using, but I wanna try and progress, and you do that progressive overload, as I come under and I work on my grip and I'm out, what you can do, if it's a new weight, I can like train myself. So for example, okay, I've just got to the edge of my last weight and I'm fine. Like I'm not using them, I don't need them. What you can do, if you up the weight and you're scared to do it a little bit, you can bring this up one, stay in the middle. It might be a little bit higher for you if you're a bit taller. I'm a short ass. So what you do is as you come out, it's gonna help you, it's gonna train you to get the depth a little bit. Keep going until I hit, and I come back up. So I'm just depth training. That's what I'm doing, I'm just depth training. And then the better I get, same again, I just lower until it's something that I can get away with. Have a go.